water of questionable cleanliness backing up into your bathtub when you shower and bathing your feet in filth?
You've got a clog to clear.
As you shower, down the drain goes all that bodily grit, grime, sloughed off skin, shampoo, residue, and hair.
I mean, that's what happened to my hair.
All of which collects and congeals into a vomitous blob that can stop up your plumbing.
Here's what to do. With the drain stopper in the open position, use a flashlight to help you find the screw holding the assembly together. Loosen the screw enough to remove the stopper and gain access to the drain hole.
Here's where we test your intestinal fortitude.
Use a pair of needle-nose pliers or a similar tool to grab a hold of the mass of trauma-triggering filth and pull it out. Keep digging, depositing the gunk onto paper towels as you go, either until you can't extract anymore or until you are about to lose your lunch. Now reattach the stopper. Position the stopper so that the screw meets the flat part of the cylinder and tighten it back up. Now run the water to check your work. If you've successfully cleared the clog, it should drain freely.
Don't feel like doing your own plumbing work? Go to eLocal.com to find a plumber near you to do it for you.